Jeff Bezos and Mark Zuckerberg are two of the most influential tech billionaires of our time. While both are known for their innovations and business empires, their approach to car ownership reveals very different personalities and priorities. Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon and Blue Origin, has a car history that reflects a major transformation in lifestyle. In the early 1990s, even after Amazon became publicly traded, Bezos was driving a Honda Accord. He explained the choice by stating, "It's a perfectly good car." Before the Accord, he reportedly used a Chevy Blazer for package deliveries during Amazon's early days. In recent years, however, Bezos has acquired a notable collection of rare and high-performance vehicles. One of the standout cars in his garage is the Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. Valued at approximately $4.8 million, this hypercar features a carbon fiber body infused with diamond dust. Only 2 units were ever produced, making it one of the rarest production cars in the world. It boasts over 1,000 horsepower and a top speed exceeding 250 mph. Another car in Bezos's collection is the Bugatti Veyron Mansory Edition. This custom upgrade of the original Veyron includes bespoke carbon bodywork, enhanced aerodynamics, and a luxury interior. The Veyron itself is known for its 8.0-litre quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing 1,200 horsepower. Bezos also owns the Lykan Hypersport, a car made famous by its appearance in Fast and Furious 7. It is priced around $3.4 million, and only 7 units were manufactured. It features diamond-encrusted headlights and a top speed of approximately 240 mph. Additionally, he is reported to have a Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio in his collection. This rare model was built in a limited run of 6 units and costs approximately $3 million. It's based on the Ferrari 458 Spider and features a 4.5-litre V8 engine producing 597 horsepower. Despite his preference for exotic vehicles, Bezos also owns a Rivian R1T electric pickup truck. As an early investor in Rivian, this choice aligns with his interest in technology and sustainability. The R1T offers over 800 horsepower and a range of more than 300 miles. Now, let's look at Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta and co-founder of Facebook. Zuckerberg is known for a minimalist lifestyle, and his car choices largely reflect that philosophy. His most frequently mentioned car is the Acura TSX, a mid-size sedan known for reliability and comfort. This car was a popular choice in the early 2000s and cost around $30,000 at the time. He has also been seen driving a Honda Fit, a compact hatchback that emphasizes efficiency and practicality. It is affordable and often chosen for city commuting. Another car in Zuckerberg's collection is the Volkswagen Golf GTI. It combines modest design with sporty performance, featuring a turbocharged engine and agile handling. This vehicle is often considered a practical but fun choice for everyday driving. However, not all of Zuckerberg's cars are low profile. He is believed to own a Pagani Huayra, an Italian hypercar, priced over $1.5 million. The Huayra features a twin turbocharged V12 engine built by AMG and is assembled almost entirely by hand. Its body is made from carbo-titanium, a lightweight yet incredibly strong material. Top speed exceeds 230 mph. Zuckerberg also owns a Tesla Model S. Aligning with his Silicon Valley roots and interest in clean technology, the Model S offers rapid acceleration, with some versions capable of 0 to 60 miles in under 2 seconds. It also features advanced autonomous driving features. He has also been linked to ownership of an Infiniti G sedan, a premium vehicle with sporty handling and understated design. In summary, Jeff Bezos's car collection is focused on exclusivity, high performance, and unique design. It includes extremely rare and expensive models, such as the Koenigsegg Trevita, Bugatti Veyron Mansory, Lykan Hypersport, and Ferrari Sergio. Mark Zuckerberg's collection, on the other hand, reflects a balance between minimalism and occasional luxury. It ranges from affordable vehicles like the Honda Fit and Volkswagen GTI to ultra-rare hypercars like the Pagani Huayra. Both collections offer insight into their owners' personalities. Bezos favors high-profile, high-performance cars that highlight success and status, Zuckerberg leans toward functionality and subtlety, with a few exceptions that reveal a deeper appreciation for automotive engineering. If you found this breakdown of billionaire car collections interesting, don't forget to check out our other episodes in the Billionaire Showdown series. We dive into luxury, strategy, and lifestyle, all through the lens of the world's most powerful people. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.